Video 10, Mulch Maintenance for Green Stormwater Infrastructure. There are two kinds of mulch, organic and inorganic. Organic mulch is generally composed of chipped or shredded wood and plant materials, and it's appropriate for almost all applications. Organic mulch is great at keeping soils from drying out, it helps control weed growth, limit extreme temperature swings in the soil, and helps the soil filter pollutants out of stormwater. It also helps our soil stay alive by supporting trillions of tiny beneficial organisms. Inorganic mulch consists of gravel, crushed rock, lava rock, or cobblestone. Inorganic mulch is appropriate for areas with high speed or volumes of water, steep slopes, or areas with a lot of pedestrian traffic. Inorganic mulch should be limited to these areas because it retains heat, causing temperatures to rise in our cities, and cooks the roots of plants we want to keep alive. Regular visual inspection of the mulch at a GSI feature is required to keep it properly maintained. If there are signs of clogging or sediment accumulation, such as standing water, then you may need to adjust the type of mulch used. You may also see that mulch has shifted after an intense storm. If this is a common and recurring problem, consider installing inorganic mulch or riprap at the inlet to slow the flow of water. If the mulch only shifts occasionally, then just redistribute the mulch across the site to an average depth of 3 inches. If you are seeing weeds coming up through the mulch, then it's time to refresh the organic mulch layer. Remember, 3 inches deep is the target. Maintaining this depth will help prevent weeds. Leaf litter does not need to be removed from the surface of areas. It counts as organic mulch. Use your pruning shears to cut small twigs and branches into sections less than 6 inches in length.
All right, so you can see here, we've now come in and installed a layer of organic mulch. And one of the important things you want to keep in mind is you always want at least 4 inches of mulch in the basin. So you can see this is a pretty deep layer of the mulch that we put in.
And that's it. You can find additional detail and a maintenance checklist in the Arid LID maintenance manual in Module 6.